Teeth are wonderful tools used to help with different everyday tasks. They help protect the tongue from harm, help form words, and break down food for us to digest. Teeth are also the number one feature that people notice first. It's not only important to keep your teeth healthy to perform those everyday tasks, but you want them to look their best. There are a few different types of teeth stains, and we'll be looking at how they happen and a solution for them. The most common types of teeth stains come from eating foods and drinking liquids. Coffee stains tend to be one of the most common from liquids because of how popular the beverage is. Many people will have a cup of coffee in the morning or afternoon to give them a boost of energy. While coffee will give you a kick to your step, it also contains chemical compounds called chromogens and tannin. When these compounds are constantly splashed on our teeth, the enamel will eventually become stained if not removed properly by constant brushing. Even the best brushers and people who are consistent in trying to clean different types of teeth stains will have their teeth discolored from time to time. While coffee is the most common type of the teeth stains, there is also tea and wine teeth stains. These work exactly like coffee, but wine includes harsher chemicals like anthocyanins, which speed up the discoloration of teeth. If you enjoy drinking red wine, be careful as the tannins in it are quite sticky and make it tougher to brush away from the enamel of your teeth. Tea is a great drink to sip on throughout the day, whether it's hot or cold, but it is one of the main types of teeth stains. Make sure that you are brushing your teeth each night to help avoid permanent stains. The types of teeth stains associated with liquids may be short-term. Kool-Aid stains come to mind, but if you continue to drink wine, coffee, or tea daily, you'll soon face long-term teeth stains. Aside from liquids, there are plenty of other substances that can stain teeth. One of the most common stains comes from smoking. Smoking and vaping can stain your teeth as well as cause other health issues. When you smoke cigarettes, your teeth become stained from the tar and nicotine. Heavy smokers can expect their teeth to start to discolor in a matter of weeks. The tar and nicotine are particularly difficult on your teeth and will turn them shades of brown and yellow. Vaping may not have the same ingredients as cigarettes, but it can still cause your teeth to turn different colors. Flavored vapes might have pink or blue chemicals in them to make them taste good, but those chemicals can get stuck on your teeth just like nicotine and tar. While there are types of teeth stains that involve what you put into your mouth, whether it's foods, liquids, or smoke, there are also teeth stains that just come naturally with age. Age stains, as they are referred to, come as you get older. Your body may stop producing the same chemicals in your body as you get older, or you may suffer from a vitamin deficiency, which results in your teeth being a few shades less than desirable. You've learned about 3 different types of teeth stains. Food and liquid, smoking, and age stains can all discolor your teeth, but there is one sure way to help restore them to the proper color and make them dazzle again. There are plenty of teeth whitening kits out there, but only one whitens the front, back, and crevices of every tooth. Custom whitening trays are designed to erase years of teeth stains, whether they are smoking, wine, tea, coffee, or age. Paired with a special formula of foaming gel, the gel will foam into the teeth at the contact of saliva. This gel will improve the shade of your teeth in just a few treatments. Whitening trays are waterproof and easy to implement into a morning or nightly routine when you shower. This whitening treatment is designed to erase any types of teeth stains that may have discolored your teeth. SportingSmiles has been crafting custom whitening trays designed to fit only your smile since 2009. These are the exact same custom trays your dentist would craft, but at half the cost of the dentist and with no need to schedule any visits. By ordering the custom whitening trays from SportingSmiles, you'll be shipped a patented impression kit where you'll take easy at-home impressions before sending them back to the SportingSmiles lab where our team will craft you your trays. Improve your confidence and start smiling again. With custom whitening trays from SportingSmiles, your entire smile will be whitened and years of teeth stains will be erased in just a few weeks. These trays are very durable too, and you can reorder the whitening gel whenever you run out. If you are interested in ordering custom whitening trays from SportingSmiles, all you have to do is click the link below.